For those interested in our Platinum Recruitment Team business model, I've included a case study of one of our new startups, High Spirits Consultancy. In just a few short weeks, RSU Services helped get this recruitment agency up and running literally from scratch. This included helping them to find an office location at a very competitive rate, recruiting and training a team of independent recruitment consultants, and last but not least, winning and securing a number of major contracts. Both entrepreneurs, Sandeep Singh and Ajit Jandu, had no previous experience of the recruitment industry, but just a keen desire to be the boss of their very own recruitment agency. They now have a team of 8 consultants and are already making serious money from their recruitment agency. The company is now in the process of expanding their recruitment business to have offices around the world. So let us now hear from Sandeep and Ajit and meet the team at High Spirits Consultancy.
My name is Sandeep. My background was in management and retail. I've done various businesses over the last 15 years before actually I've decided to come into recruitment. So professionally, I was supposed to be a doctor. So various fields I've been through in the last 10-15 years. Reason why I started recruitment agency or why I wanted to get into recruitment was I was looking for something more challenging than what I was doing for the past few years. What recruitment does for us is give us opportunity to be into various different fields, whereas I was stuck in retail doing day in, day out, same job. And I wanted to take it globally and start something which I could do from home or take it anywhere else in the world and still be a big and successful business. Business being successful is taught us a lot. It's a communication business. It's something you can't be taught. That's what I loved about this business. Like I said, I wasn't a salesperson and it has taught me various, first, communication skills. Secondly, to be in the field that I would like to be in, various challenges. And on top of that, I always wanted my kids to get involved with me. Future's there for them. And I see, like I said before, a global scene in this business. And it's been a tremendous ride so far. We're learning every day. And that's where we want to be like 5-10 years down the line. We started off with industrials and drivers first, and now we're getting into different fields. We open up a care sector, we are going into teaching, and we're looking into bringing teachers from abroad, sending teachers from here. So is with nurses, care sector, and we try to help people as we grow. Altogether, we are 7 of us at the moment. We're looking to grow the team. We're recruiting all the time and looking for people who are willing and try to work with us in various sectors. So it's an ongoing process and we won't be stopping. Well, financially, I mean, like we said, we started from zero and it builds up on a weekly basis. You bring in 4 to 5 people first week, sending people out, and it all accumulates in the end of the week. And we so far making enough money to survive in the business and to take it forward, so we can invest in the business and also we can grow in various different sectors. RSU helped us tremendously. We just came back in this business as little babies and you needed a father figure, and Joe done that. He helped us all the way from day one, setting up a business to recruiting staff, and knowing that 35 years experience is on the other side of the phone is something that you need when you first start up, and that's what exactly Joe did, and I thank him for that. Joe actually taught us how to get the business first, how to get the clients, how to get the candidates, and getting the clients out of candidate is something he taught us, which no book tells you, and he's been very helpful in that. It's a very family-oriented business. The way I look at my staff, this is not hiring a firing company. I would love to keep people who are willing to work. We encourage them and try to bring the best out of people, really, and that's what makes any business drive. And we try to do that. That is our motto. I mean, if you look around our room here, we try to motivate them, we try to teach them, we try to give them as much help as possible in any which way we can as directors of the company. And it's down to them, end of the day, to deliver. And most of our staff is doing that.
So this is for you, Sandeep, all the hard work you've done to take this business from 0 to 6 figures in no time at all. Well done, sir. Well done.
Thank you very much, John. Thank you.
Thank you.